In this video, I'll guide you through how you can get email address from anyone from LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To get anyone email address from LinkedIn, at the beginning you have to open a new tab and search for apollo.io. Now you have to create a free account on apollo.com. Once you create your free account on apollo.com, then you have to open a new tab and search for Apollo Chrome extension. Now open the first one and click on Add to Chrome. Then this will pop up here on your screen and click on Add Extension. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Once the extension will be added on your Chrome browser, then you have to click on extension and pin the extension. Now go to LinkedIn page and refresh the page. Now you have to open a LinkedIn account whose email address you want to get. Now you have to click on Apollo extension and then click on Access Email. Then this person's email address will be accessible. To copy the email address, you have to click on Copy icon. By following this tutorial, you can easily get any email account from LinkedIn.